Good evening. Welcome to another edition of Ten-Tec TV. I'm Scott Robbins, W4PA, Amateur Radio Product Manager for Ten-Tec Incorporated. And tonight we are here to discuss a brand new product from Ten-Tec, the model 1213 Rig to Sound Card Isolation Interface Kit. The 1213 is the device you see here. We have on one end a 5-pin DIN connector. On the other end is a small box with a circuit board inside that has 1/8" audio in and audio out connections. That in turn will be run to your personal computer equipped with a sound card. This device essentially is to facilitate plug-and-play digital mode operation with the Ten-Tec Omni 7, Jupiter, Orion, Orion 2, and Argonaut 5 transceivers. As I said, this is sold as a kit, and I have here a box with the kit inside it, and I'll open this up and I'll explain the contents to you. This is the construction manual for the kit itself. This is very easy to understand. There are illustrations for each step. As you can see, steps like this. Laying out the parts assembly. Another page would be, here's where you install plug jumpers, etc. This manual is also available for download off of our website at www.tentec.com if you want to take a look at it yourself. This kit itself is very easy to construct. It's certainly a beginning level kit. If you've never built one before, you'll be able to do so if you know how to solder. Got a couple of parts bags here. This is a circuit board with a couple of resistors, a couple of audio transformers, and a couple of jacks. This is the shell of the kit itself and the sticker that goes on the outside. 5-pin DIN cable with bare wire on one end, and 2 1/8" audio cables provided as well. Now, once you put this device together, you have a completed unit that looks like this with in-out connections. You simply take the provided 1/8" stereo audio cables, plug one into the in jack and one into the out jack, and then plug them into the corresponding jacks on your PC sound card. Take the 5-pin DIN connector end and plug it into the appropriate jack on the rear panel of your Ten-Tec HF transceiver. Load your favorite digital mode software like WinPSK or FL-Digi, and you will be ready to operate at that point. The device itself uses a couple of 1-to-1 audio isolation transformers. The idea being we're trying to decouple the PC sound card from the transceiver itself to prevent the possibility of ground loops introducing hum or some other distortion into your transmit signal through your sound card. If you have any questions about this device or anything else that Ten-Tec sells, please don't hesitate to visit our website at www.tentec.com. For this edition of Ten-Tec TV, I'm Scott Robbins, W4PA 73.